Dear LA.
Dear LA.
Dear LA.
Dear LA.
It's not a secret how much you're loved.
I love about LA that we live in a multicultural city.
Its diversity.
LA is really a melting pot of people from all over the world.
Mixture of food, culture.
A lot of dreamers, and also when they catch that dream, they're not afraid of sharing it with others.
From the first time since I moved to LA, I fostered many great new friendships that I hadn't had before, and that's just been awesome.
It's not just the city of the angels, it's a city that fulfills me.
During the fires in Los Angeles, we immediately opened our home up and hosted folks, mostly from the Eaton fire, which was an honor to be able to do that.
I was imminently about to give birth. There were people donating to us baby supplies, Target gift cards.
My guests got in touch with me from wherever they are in the world. I was just so touched.
The greatest gift comes from tragedy, and that is the gift of humanity.
My hope for LA to recover from the fires is to adapt and overcome, be resilient, and move forward. We got this, and we can do it together.
Find the joy, find the hope, and find the true blessing in terms of bringing us all together.
We love you, LA. We love you, LA.
We love you, LA.
We love you, LA.
We love you, LA.